Use simple words as a public speaker. Practice some words or phrases to use while answering questions to the audience. This is a very simple thing because this is very easy, as you only know the answers of these questions and nobody else knows it. Make sure you do not seem like a robot. I want your audience to remember you as a person. Okay, so start with something like, whenever they ask you a question, so try to connect with that question, saying that we all did the same while we grew up, and then you can continue. Try to find out some commonalities. For example, say that my younger brother also committed the same mistake once upon a time. Or you can say my best friend also works in the same company. Or you can say my friend is also lazy. I, as a speaker, always use simple words. I never use jargons, because remember, ultimately you are talking to common people who understand common language. Okay, make it more simple to them to understand. Do not use jargons. Instead of saying I felt exhilarated, say that I felt happy, I felt excited. Instead of saying I was outraged or I was enraged, say I was angry. Use the person's name while answering questions, because people love when you call them by their names. If you don't know their name, then ask their name. There's no harm in asking their names. It helps you to connect with that person and also with the audience in general. Stay tuned for the next video.